Scabies. Introduction.
Scabies mites can be passed from one person to another during a handshake.
Select true or false.
Correct. Scabies is only transmitted by direct, prolonged skin-to-skin contact, such as between household members and sexual partners. Scabies usually affects the hands first.
Select true or false.
Correct. One of the first signs of scabies infestation is raised tracts and rashes in the skin on the hands. Bacterial infection can occur due to scabies.
Select true or false.
Correct. Scabies can cause intense itching, and if scratched too much, sores could form. Bacteria can infect these sores. If you continue to itch 2 to 3 weeks after scabies treatment, you are still infested.
Select true or false.
Correct. Doctors may prescribe anti-itch medication for itching that persists even after scabies has been successfully treated.
Thank you for using Explain.